Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at machines ranging from road graders to excavators. So sit back, grab a hard hat, and join us on an exciting journey into the world of construction equipment. First up, we have the UDS 214 from CSM Industries. It is a self-propelled, multi-purpose landscaping machine used for various earthworks, such as excavating foundation trenches, building and maintaining engineering networks, and more. It features a unique telescopic boom, offering a max reach of up to 47.9 feet, and is compatible with different attachments for specific tasks. From its ergonomic cabin located at the superstructure, the operator can control this machine. It is mounted on a Tatra T158 Phoenix chassis. However, it can be mounted on other types of trucks, including MAN, Mercedes, or Renault. It is an ideal machine for excavating foundation trenches, building and maintaining engineering networks, and finishing earthworks at the contact point of buildings and the environment. Next, we have the McLean GR5-011. This purpose-built road grader was designed for grading operations in underground mines. It can withstand extreme conditions and ensure smooth and consistent haulage ramps. The GR5-011 has a 6-wheel drive articulated carrier and a hydrostatic transmission, offering superior traction. It is powered by a 210 horsepower fuel-efficient, electronically controlled engine that minimizes harmful emissions. The grader weighs around 44,000 pounds and is 7 feet wide and 10 feet long with a tramming height of 100 inches. The frame can articulate at an angle of 35 degrees on both sides, while the front wheel steering angle is plus or minus 55 degrees. It can take a turn with a radius of 100 inches, making it perfect for underground mining environments. Up next, we have the Python 5000 from Superior Roads Solutions. This self-propelled machine has been designed for repairing potholes and cracks on roads quickly and efficiently. It can patch potholes in just 2 minutes. Using standard asphalt mixes, its multi-axis arm applies either cold or hot asphalt to the exact spot. The machine also compacts the asphalt with a hydraulic pressure-controlled roller, creating a long-lasting patch. The Python 5000 can work in any condition, whether it is raining or the temperature is below zero. All operations are managed by a single joystick inside the cab, ensuring the operator's safety and comfort. It has a 173 horsepower engine with 476 pound-feet of peak torque. It can carry up to 4 gallons of chemicals, 25 gallons of water, 50 gallons of tack oil, and 9,920 pounds of asphalt. In short, the Python 5000 is an efficient and cost-effective solution for road maintenance. If you subscribe, make sure to leave a comment and we'll personally reply to you. The TigerCat 724G comes next. It is a feller buncher designed for cutting and bunching trees in various logging operations. It boasts a TigerCat FPT N67 engine that delivers up to 254 horsepower, and its TigerCat wide-range drive offers smooth acceleration. Many felling heads are available for this machine for handling different sizes of trees. Thanks to its hydraulic brakes, wide tires, and reliable powertrain, the feller buncher can smoothly navigate across difficult terrains. Moreover, the TigerCat 724G has a comfortable and ergonomic cab with air conditioning, a heater, a rear-view camera system, and TigerCat joysticks. It is a reliable and productive machine that can improve the efficiency and profitability of logging contractors. Last but not least, we have the Hitachi ZAxis 225 USR-LC. It is a medium-sized excavator with a short tail swing design that allows it to work in confined spaces. It can also be equipped with a clamshell telescopic arm to dig deep underground, down to 82 feet deep, and load trucks quickly and efficiently. Its clamshell telescopic arm offers a bucket capacity of 1.7 cubic yards. Moreover, the excavator has a 166 horsepower engine and a responsive hydraulic system which increases efficiency and reduces fuel consumption. It boasts a CRES-2 cab with a polycarbonate window on the floor, offering excellent visibility for underground excavation and protection from falling objects and side impacts. The excavator can use a variety of attachments, including buckets, breakers, and ground-engaging tools to suit different applications. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.